Acorn squash, y'all. Stuffed acorn squash. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So after we get our squash cut open, next thing we need to do is remove these seeds. Now, I'm removing mine to this paper towel so I can plant these next year. So, you know, we're gonna get them just dried out enough to be able to store for next year. Now, even if you didn't want to plant these, you still can put them on a paper towel and treat them just like pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds. You know, go ahead and roast them up. Hey, they're pretty tasty too, y'all. They pretty tasty. So once we get our seeds gone, it's time to handle this squash. So first thing we need to do is go ahead and hit the squash with some olive oil. Then we go and raid on them with some salt and pepper. Oh yeah, these be tasty too, y'all. So we gonna go ahead and get our oven set at 425 degrees for 30 minutes. And then we gonna get our squash in. Now while our squash is baking, let's go ahead and start sweating down our onions in our olive oil. Now I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil in this pan and 1 whole medium onion. And of course, you know, you gotta rain on. Go ahead, hit them with some salt, some pepper. Fresh, of course. Now up next, we're gonna be adding in our baby portobello mushroom. Now you can use whatever type of mushroom you like. Hey, today I had portobello. I didn't use button. I didn't use shiitake. You know, whatever mushroom you feel like eating that day. So yeah, you know we gotta do a mix and mix on that. Mix and mix. Now once our onions have turned translucent, we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of butter. And of course, you gotta give that a mix and mix. Now our timer has gone off on our oven, and it's time to pull that acorn squash. Now we're going to take the flesh of the squash out. just scooping it all out. You don't have to get all of it. Just get close, Don't go crazy with it. You want to leave some flesh in at the bottom anyway and around the sides, because it'll be tastier that way. And then we're going to add that squash into our mix with our onions and mushrooms. And we're also going to add just a little bit of leftover rice. You use fresh rice too, it doesn't matter. I just had leftover rice from yesterday. I was like, yeah, today is the day to eat that acorn squash, y'all. So we're gonna bring that all together. Get everything combined real good. And hey, it ain't gonna be long now, y'all. It ain't gonna be long at all. Once everything is combined well, we're gonna go ahead and add, well, me, I'm using cheddar cheese. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like. Gonna add that to the bottom of our acorn squash, and then we're gonna start stuffing that bad boy with that filling. Oh my goodness. This finna be tasty, y'all. So tasty. So tasty. After we get that filling pretty much stuffed, it's time to go ahead and put some more cheese right on top, y'all. Right on top. Cause you know my wife a cheesehead. She got to have that cheese, y'all. Gotta have it. We go get it back into our oven. And this time we're just putting in a 350 degree oven, just long enough to melt that cheese. And oh yeah, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Let me grab me a fork, y'all. Look at that bite there. See, that's what I'm talking about. Tasty, y'all. Tasty. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.